I was just working on making a jig for the table saw using some Baltic birch plywood, and I learned a hard lesson that I would like to share in case it can save somebody else some time and trouble. First, I ran the Baltic birch through the jointer because I wanted to get a nice flat edge before I took it to the table saw to rip to the final width. And I'm using some new knives. I just replaced these probably a couple weeks ago. They're Powertec knives I got on Amazon. And the Baltic birch came out fine. And then I ran through this piece of beech, which was going to be used for another part of the jig. And when it came out, it had all of these ridges on it. So I pulled back the guard to take a look at the knives, and as you can see here, the Baltic birch pretty much ruined the new set of jointer knives. So I don't know if it's just a quality issue with the Powertec knives. I haven't had much trouble with those in the past, although any steel knives do tend to nick pretty easily in a jointer. Or if the Baltic birch or the adhesive they use in it is just so hard that it cuts those grooves in there. Maybe it's just because the end grain is so dense. Either way, if you're going to be using any Baltic birch, I would recommend going straight to your carbide tools and keeping it away from the jointer.